The TopBrewer is actually equipped with 3 different sensors. One is for your bean hopper, letting you know that your beans are empty. 2 is your waste bin. Waste bin when full, it'll tell you that is waste bin and needs to be dumped. And 3rd is for our grinds. By opening the door, we have a bucket for our grinds. Nice to put into a compost. Keep in mind that every time I open the door, I'm resetting the counter. The counter's set for every time I ask for 50 drinks, it's going to automatically come up and say dredge bin full. So right now I risk overfilling it because I already have some grinds in there. Next, we're going to go through the cleaning cycle. In your starter kit, you're going to find some cleaning tablets. To prepare the machine for cleaning, you want to use a large container underneath the swan neck itself. We're going to remove the milk. We're going to replace it with an empty container. We're going to open our door. We're going to place our cleaning tablet inside here. We're going to close the door. And we're going to press clean. Now we can do this on our iPhone as well, or on our iPad, but now that we're down here. And what it's going to do now, it's going to do a complete flushing of our coffee line, our milk line, and it's going to take roughly 3 to 5 minutes. I recommend that we do that roughly on a monthly basis.